Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday one and all. We're doing a little fired up Friday today. I'm actually just, this is the side of my condo. I didn't have time to run over to the park. I had a bunch of editing I had to do this morning. I'm getting ready for the weekend because I'm going to be going out for 3 days, 2 nights on eastern Washington. So I'm going to be going up and over the mountains and down the other side, which I won't even be home to answer these comments until I get back. So should be fun. Got a buddy coming with me, and yeah, actually it's gonna be a place I've never been before. So stay tuned for that. I actually have got an outing coming up, a day trip coming out using a grill that's gonna be coming up as well. So it'll be like that weekend, which will give me a good 2 weeks to get editing and make the playlist for all the videos and then start uploading them. So that should be fun. And let's hop over to the this week's channel shout out, and we'll do that right now. All right, let's jump to this week's shout out. Getting really low on these. We get one. Ooh, one almost popped out. Come on. There we go. Sweet. I just watched this video, The Lore of Bushcraft. If you like bushcraft videos, this guy, he was actually recommended by Carolina Chris Outdoors, and one of my favorite channels. Really good dude. Doesn't speak a word in his videos if you're into that, but he's also I believe he's a vegetarian and or vegan. He eats a lot of interesting meals vegetarian wise. So if you're into that or just curious, I'll link his description down below. Where is Carolina Chris's sticker? He's all the way towards the top. So I'm actually zoomed in as far as I can. So here's his sticker. So he's right next to Hike with Mike, M.I. Woodsman. Haven't seen a video from you, John, in a long time. Backyard Custom Knives. I haven't seen a video from Eddie in a long time either. Another Backward Custom Knives, Michael Bruner, Ali Carroll, Backpacking with Buckley, awesome dude, Dominic Menichetti, Black and White Fire Starters, Fab Creations, Open Air Fish Market. Man, there's a Shalisha Shells, Plain Old Chuck sneaking in, Michael Bruner. Oh, I'm sorry, that was James G. Outdoors, another dude I haven't seen forever. Hope you're okay, brother. You don't comment or anything, so let's get to the burn. Alright. So I was handed a nice big pile of birch bark goodness. So I thought that would be great for today's burn. They're using my old butcher knife with my beloved leather sheath with my logo on it. Because I'm at home, I don't want a big blaze because, you know, neighbors and all. Might be enough. Alright, and I got the Dominator. Damn these rolled edges, man. Is it too much to ask for a 90-degree spine? Seriously. little guy has a better spine. Alright. I need 90 degrees, man. Need it. There's that 90-degree spine I needed. Well, alrighty, don't forget to check out the Lore of Bushcraft, an awesome dude. He's got a really good channel, I like it a lot. Yeah, so of course there had to be a plane. Let's pause for jets. I think somehow planes and jets always know when you're filming. I think they actually aim over your house. It's like, hey, that guy's got a camera on. Get over there. So anyway, I hope everyone has a great weekend. I will see you when I get back. Should be a lot of fun. So stay tuned for those videos if you're not subscribed. And as always, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits all the way up to our veterans. Let's not forget as well, 22 a day. 22 a day, no more. 22 of our veterans take their lives. And that's one is just too many. So as always, there'll be links down below and the suicide prevention hotline number. And with that, I do again thank you for watching and have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.